To open a workbook, follow the steps shown on the screen. First, I click on the File menu. Second, I select Open. Third, I click Browse. As you can see, a new window is opened. This window helps us search for a workbook. Just like in Windows Explorer, the Open window has two panes. The left pane helps us to choose a drive or folder, and the right pane shows the contents of what was selected in the left pane. Fourth, I search for the file named Sales. As you can see, once I click the workbook, its name gets automatically entered in the File Name box. Finally, I click the button Open. As you can see, the workbook is opened and displayed on the screen.